Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Franka and today I show you a 5-minute challenge for my makeup. This is what I get out of this. I must say I just applied the lipstick later because I have not so much time and 5 minutes is really tough. So if you want to see how I get here and then just keep on watching. I just show you before we start the product that I use because I cannot explain in this 5 minutes, it's not possible. So I used the Smashbox Shapematters palette. It's really cool because you have a lot of things here. You have the eyeshadows, you have something for your brows, and you also have for contouring and highlighting a lot of stuff inside. It's pretty nice. And I do everything with the brush from the palette, so you don't have to buy anything else. You can use this brush for applying eyeshadow and putting it in the crease, and it's really nice. And for foundation, I use the Smashbox Studio Skin foundation and also the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder. It's really nice. You can just throw it in your bag, yeah, if you're on a hurry, and it cannot broke because it's already yeah, separated. You can just swirl this and then there comes the powder. Yeah, and then the powder comes here, as you can see. Okay, and for blush, I tried out the Hourglass Ambient Lightening Blush in the color Mood Exposure. I really like this. I cannot make this in the 5 minutes. Maybe it will be 6 minutes. You have to watch the video to understand what I mean. I also applied here some Catrice liquid camouflage and also eyeshadow primer so that my look lasts all day. Okay, I just go out now in the supermarket, it's okay. And I also use some Loreal. So without further ado, let's get started. Just jump right into the video. Have fun. Now we start with the 5 minutes. Right? Okay, I set my timer for 5 minutes and I start. Wait, I'm very excited. I start right now and go. Oh, this works really good. It's already 4 minutes. Fuck, I'm too slowly. Okay, I will hurry up a little bit. Oh god, I have so much dry areas. It's horrible. It's horrible. Oh no. I will use some more foundation. I hope I can cover. Yeah, okay. If you don't have so much problematic skin like me, maybe it's possible for you. But for me, I think not. Okay, I think I cannot make it. Okay, 5 minutes are over, but I think even with this, I did a good job. I would just finish my lashes. But as you can see, you can make it happen. But I think when you have 10 minutes or 2 minutes more, it's really cool. You can get a really nice look in 7 minutes. I will do the next challenge, 7 minutes. But what do you think? I think the makeup looks pretty nice. I want to go to the supermarket, just buy some random stuff like water and so on. So like this, I would definitely go, and I will do this. I will just apply a little bit more blush because I cannot see this. I will just do it right now that you can see how this will look, and also how the highlighter performs, because this is really nice here from Smashbox. You can just do it with your powder brush. Just apply a little bit on the cheekbones and apply a little bit here. And then you can just go with the sheer lipstick. I think the lipstick is the part what you can really skip. Okay, then I would just take some spray. Yeah, and we're good to go. I think it's really cool for this just quick application. If you like the video, then I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to my channel, I will do a lot of more challenge for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes makeup, what you can get out of this. And this was my first time. I hope you like it. I hope you have a little bit fun, and see you in the next video. Bye.